Okay, one more item, and these are the black camo 5-star shorts. You guys got some sneak peeks of these shorts a little while ago, and everyone got really excited. So they are finally here. So they are black in the front and on the back, but they have these panels on the side. They are camo. And here, this is actually a pocket, a little pocket, and it has a little bit of the camo there. So it gives like a little accent, a little detail there. It has a pocket on the back. So my runners, they like to stack there like keys, or I can actually fit my phone because the fabric stretches. So my phone totally fits there. And it has another pocket here as well. So I love all the options of the pockets. So these shorts actually have 3 pockets. So one in each size here. Like my runner, like if you guys want to stack like an energy goo or like energy gummies or something that you want to have like fast access, it will be right here. And for something that you want to secure more like your keys, it has a zipper back here, so you know it's not gonna fall off, it's not gonna go anywhere. So these are my true size. So extra small, they're my true size, and I feel like they're pretty true size. I usually between sizes and shorts, I can wear extra small or small, but I feel like these ones are good. Maybe if you want a little bit length, the small, you like it, I will put them on really quick, just so you can see the difference, like how much longer the other ones are. But I like that it has this opening here. Well, it's actually not open, it's sewn in, but it has this cut here, so that gives a little bit more room for my muscular legs. But they're beautiful, they're gorgeous, true size, or size up for more length. Okay, so this is a size small. You can see there is a little bit more length. They still, I don't feel like it's a huge difference. Maybe on the waist, there is a big, these ones are a lot looser on the waist. I can wear either one, but I think, I don't know, I think I'm gonna stay to my size, with my true size. But let me know if this is useful for me to show you how 2 different sizes look, or if it's just a waste of time. Let me know and then we'll take it off. But if you think this is helpful for you to see the 2 sizes, so like I said, let me know so we can continue to do that, or we just go back to normal when I just show you one size. But I just realized in the last little while that sometimes the size, one size, it just gives you a little bit more length, and you can still wear the same size, but it just adds a little bit more coverage in some parts that sometimes we want. So here is a small, yours are the extra small, so you decide. You can wear, if you have slimmer legs, you definitely want to stay true size. If you curvier like me, if you want more room and more length, then you can size up. One more thing that I forgot to mention, they have liners. So this has like the underwear liner in here. Very comfy, doesn't dig, it's no booty shirt, it's just like a regular underwear liner.